Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Orbitz.com. It's a name synonymous with travel planning, a go-to resource for booking flights, hotels, and rental cars. But what really sets Orbitz apart in the crowded online travel agency landscape? Let's delve into the features and functionalities that make Orbitz a popular choice for travelers around the globe. One of the key strengths of Orbitz lies in its comprehensive search capabilities. The platform allows users to search for flights across multiple airlines, compare prices, and filter results based on various criteria, including departure and arrival times, number of stops, and airline preferences. This robust search functionality empowers travelers to find the most convenient and affordable flight options that align with their specific needs. Beyond flights, Orbitz offers a vast selection of hotels, ranging from budget-friendly accommodations to luxurious resorts. Users can browse hotels based on location, star rating, amenities, and guest reviews, enabling them to make informed decisions about their lodging. Orbitz also provides valuable insights into local attractions and activities, helping travelers plan their itineraries and maximize their travel experiences. For those who require ground transportation, Orbitz offers a seamless car rental booking process. Users can compare rates from various rental car companies, select their preferred vehicle type, and add extras like insurance or GPS navigation. This integrated approach simplifies the travel planning process by allowing users to book their flights, accommodations, and transportation all in one place. Orbitz further enhances the travel experience with its rewards program, Orbitz Rewards. Members can earn Orbux on eligible bookings, which can be redeemed for future travel purchases. This loyalty program incentivizes users to book through Orbitz, offering them tangible benefits and cost savings. Furthermore, Orbitz provides customer support via phone, email, and online chat, ensuring that travelers have access to assistance whenever they need it. Whether it's a question about a booking, a change in travel plans, or an unexpected issue, Orbitz customer service representatives are available to provide support and guidance. In conclusion, Orbitz stands out as a versatile and user-friendly online travel agency that caters to the needs of modern travelers. With its comprehensive search capabilities, vast selection of flights, hotels, and rental cars, and valuable rewards program, Orbitz empowers travelers to plan and book their trips with ease and confidence. So, next time you're planning a getaway, be sure to check out Orbitz.com. It might just be the perfect tool to help you create your dream vacation.